Racing, complacent. The racists that hate us are blind to either outdated like food past the expiration. Hesitation, don't say it, don't think it, just do it, just prove it. We need facts like market teams need blacks so they can appeal to more urban consumers, the baby boomers, public housing rulers and benign tumors. See how they do us? They embrace our culture and ignorance, then double back and prohibit us from reaping the benefits. But I don't blame them for a lack of being generous. It's in the human nature to put nothing over paper. Then we earn peace of mind and get to meet our maker, but then we trade it off for a mule and 40 acres. Today's translation of a modern day reparations of sexual penetration. Teenage with no hesitation, we all got a story, so we rap it under sedation of marijuana to your honor after an altercation. Elders say they blame it on lack of an education, and you gotta stay in school so you can reach your destination. Catholic priests, they busy with their adolescent raping, facing incarceration, awaiting revelations. Yeah, say we awaiting revelations. Yeah, I said awaiting revelations. Yeah, I said awaiting revelations.
Boom boom ba down, diddy da do da doom da. Boom boom ba down, diddy da do da doom down. Down 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 bim boom beat up. Down 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 down. Be up, boom, beat up, boom, boom, ba down, daddy da doom, ba doom, da doom, boom, ba ding, daddy da doom, da doom, da doom, da ding, daddy da doom, da boom, down, down, da 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 da, boom, down, ba down, daddy da da, ba dee da, boom, boom, ba down, daddy da doom, da doom, da doom, da doom, daddy da doom, da doom, da da. And that all like jazz and stuff.